Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Fatihana. Today I'm going to give a speech about testing products on animals. Animals' rights are always being violated when they are used in research in making our cosmetic products, such as compact powder, foundation, mascara, and many more types of products. Animals are subjected to tests that are often painful or cause permanent death or damage to them, and they are never given the option of not participating in that test. Animals feel pain in many ways, same ways that humans do. In fact, their reaction to pain are virtually identical. For example, both humans and animals are screamed when they are feeling pain. When animals are used for product toxicity testing or laboratory research, they are subjected to painful and frequently deadly experiments. This test is extremely painful to the animals because death can take days or even weeks. In Malaysia, relating to the use of animals for research and testings are under Section 26 Animal Welfare Act 2015. European Union (EU) countries, Australia and India have also banned the sale of tested cosmetic products on animals. Unfortunately, there are still laws that allow this happen. Laws in China, for example, require animal testing to be performed on all imported cosmetic products before they are allowed to enter their markets. So there are still some cosmetics company like L'Oreal, Avon, Estee Lauder, and many more that run tests on animals in order to market their products in China. This is a statistical chart of animals that are always proscribed for the sake of your beauty. Junior pigs conquered the volume chart, the most frequently animals used in experiments. The second animals was rabbits. Although the label of this product often reads "not tested on animals," the company may also have a except when required by law clause. In Germany, a research lab was closed in 2019 after a video showed monkey, dogs, and cats they being brutally treated are exposed. Undoubtedly, research is very important for the advancement of science and technology, but that does not mean we can be cruel to animals or other creatures. If this test is unavoidable, it should be at least be minimized and performed in a controlled manner. We as consumers should at least be aware of the manufacturers of the products we buy and avoid from those who do animal testing as a sign of support for effort to stop these cruel things be done.